Hi, so I've had this request from a few people, and I've seen this issue with uh, several people that they do not know how to access the class notebook. So keep in mind that I'm going to try to make every single day, whether you're synchronous, asynchronous, face-to-face, or virtual, I'm going to try to make whatever activity that we're doing that day go through the class notebook at some point. All right. So if at this point you're unable to access the notebook or you have trouble navigating it, you're going to find it very difficult to stay on top of everything in class. So this is for students, parents, anyone that wants to know how to navigate your class notebook. What I see on my screen might be a little bit different than what you see at times, but generally everything will be in about the same place. So first off, I recommend using the Teams app. So what you can see here is my screen, which has all of my teams. Yours would be different. So here's one that I'm a part of. All right. And so first thing to notice is at the top of the page, there are several tabs posted. So we all know about the assignments tab. And this is where you would go to find things that, if not me, then your other teachers might post throughout the day. And I post assignments on every asynchronous day. Now, the class notebook is very important. So to get to that, you want to click on the class notebook tab right here. Oh, and I would also recommend to download the Teams app, which is what I'm working through right now. All right. So open up the class notebook, give it a second to load. This, if you can follow my mouse, this right here is going to make it go full screen, and it's just going to make it a lot easier to deal with. Now, if you get to this point and you think, wait, why is my class notebook blank? That's because you have to open this navigation panel arrow here. So you click on that, and this is my notebook that I use for myself right here. You will not have all these things. Yours would just probably say your name and a few other things. But so I'm going to click on the tab. This is what I use for my pre-AP notebook. And if you notice, I'm trying to stay super organized and make everything go day by day. Okay, so there's the day that we did that activity. And then also what I've started doing is for the title, I've posted the topic for that day. Okay, so if that ever goes away, just click on your little navigation panel here. So on our asynchronous days, there's an activity. So this was the very first one that we did. Just go through it and read everything and then do the quick activity. If you ever see a blue line, that's a hyperlink which will take you to a video, okay? And one issue I saw that a lot of people had with this activity in particular, and a lot of other editing things, is you try to do something and it's really, see how that was kind of goofy? It's awkward to edit it at times. So what I want you to do is go to open in browser and then open in the app. And then something's going to pop up. Now, this opens what's called the OneNote app, which you might have to sign in or whatever. It does get kind of goofy at times, but it makes, you can see here I've got my panel here for every day. It's much easier to edit everything here. You can type on the notebook than in the Teams app, but either one should work fine. But just remember, this is your class notebook. Every day that we have class, I'm going to post the date and then whatever activity that we do. So probably the most important thing that you can do to be successful is to just go through this and make sure that you complete these activities. All right. Now, last thing, if you look at the warm-up, so the warm-ups are just pictures that I post and then I insert a text box here. Now, if this ever happens, or something like, okay, let's say I accidentally delete the warm-up thing. Like, uh-oh, where did that go? Press the buttons on your keyboard, Control and Z, and it should bring them back. And so if you notice, it did take a second for this to come back, but it did come back, and it even didn't, I moved it around still, So you can always play with things if you need to, all right? You can do this or whatever. Um, so like I said, it's going to be much easier if you use it in the app, which is going to take you here. It's just much more user-friendly, okay? So last thing, I'll show you one more time again. To get to this point, you go to your teams, whatever teams that you want to be working in. Click on Class Notebook. Give that a second. This is going to make it go full screen right here. Click on this arrow. Find whatever notebook tab. So we are currently, at the point that I'm filming this, we are in Unit 1. So you're going to see other units pop up, okay? And then here's just the day that we're working on, all right? So this is your best bet here, okay? And if you have any questions, please email me or post on the Teams chat, okay?